This is the easiest way to trade RSI Divergence, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make consistent profits time and time again. Welcome back to Trades by Mo, and in this video I'm going to show you a super easy RSI Divergence strategy that will help you completely turn around your trading. And I'm going to show you 1 month's worth of backtesting results, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, so for this method we're going to use three things on tradingview.com. The first thing we're going to use is the RSI. And pick this one here, the Relative Strength Index. So on the RSI I've turned off all the noise, removed the background and the Bollinger Bands, and I've changed the RSI colour to green and the RSI based moving average to yellow. I've kept the inputs the same. This will be our main indicator for spotting divergence, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. The second indicator we want is sessions on chart. In the settings I've removed New York, Tokyo and Sydney, kept London. I've changed the background to a faint white. We'll be using this box to tell us exactly when to trade. The final thing we're going to be adding to this is an EMA. So go up to indicators and type in EMA, and we want this moving average exponential here. I've changed the EMA's colour to green and I've changed the length to 13. So I'm now going to show you exactly how to take entries. So divergence in a nutshell is basically taking 2 points on the chart and being able to see a clear divergence between the both. So for these 2 points here, we can see this first peak here and this second peak. If we draw a line from one to the other, you can see that the line is pointing upward. But then with the RSI down here, you can see these same points that line up. First point there and the second point there. You can see there is an uptrend on price, but there is a downtrend on the RSI. This means that there is divergence and price is losing strength. This trade was in the London session, so it would have been safe to take. So for this sell, we want price to close below the 13 EMA, which is the green line here. So with seeing divergence between price and the RSI, between the two peaks, we then wait for price to pull back and close below the 13 EMA. We'd enter a short right on the start of this candle, put our stop loss to the highest point, and then we target 2 times the risk. So you can see that trade would have hit take profit. Okay, so I'm now going to show you a buy. So we can see that price comes into the London session here, so it's now safe to look for divergence. So between this low and this low here, there is a strong downtrend pulling downward, and even to this point if we dragged it across here. But we can see here that the RSI is moving upward. This is a clear sign of divergence. To enter this trade, we wait until price is closed above the 13 EMA, which is the green line. Enter our long position on this candle here, and set our stop loss to the lowest point and target 2 times the risk. Price did pull back in this scenario and got close to our stop loss, but it didn't hit it, and it then went on to hit our take profit. I'm now going to backtest this strategy for 1 month. Just before you see those results, please hit that subscribe button. We've been growing rapidly here at the minute, and I really do appreciate everyone's support. So I've finished backtesting and I'll show you the results for the 5-minute time frame now. The first trade we took was on the 29th of July here. The W's mean wins and the L's mean losses. So on GU, on the 5-minute time frame, we had a total of 31 trades in 1 month. We had a total of 20 wins and 11 losses. The most amount of wins we had in a row was 7, and the most amount of losses in a row was 2. Total for the past month, we had a 29% increase, which is absolutely amazing. You can also see here that by using a $5,000 MyForex Funds account, which you can get on their website for $49, you would have made $1,450 profit in 1 month trading with them. There is a link for them down in the description if you do want to check them out. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do have any methods that you would like me to test, please leave the indicators down in the comments and I'll definitely check them out. Please do hit that subscribe button and like the video if you've enjoyed. We post daily content around here, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.